Hi guys, welcome back to Taste with Twist. Today we are making healthy and delicious steamed momos in a rice cooker. So for that I have taken 1 cup of whole wheat flour and a pinch of salt in a sifter, and I am sifting them into a large bowl. Mix both of them properly and make a dough out of it by adding water little by little. Make a dough. The dough preparation procedure is same as the one you follow to make chapatis. After making the dough, knead it for at least 2 to 3 minutes. And after that I have added 1 spoon of ghee and I am kneading the dough once again for 1 minute. Cover it and let it sit for 30 minutes. In the meantime, let's make the stuffing. For stuffing, I have taken 1 cup of finely chopped onions, 1.5 cup of finely grated carrot, 1.5 cup of finely grated cabbage, 1 spoon of chopped garlic, 1 finely diced chili, and fresh coriander leaves that I have chopped. For spices, I have taken turmeric, salt, chili powder, coriander powder, and garam masala. All the measurements of the ingredients will be listed in the description box down below. To make the stuffing, on a low flame I have taken a pan, and to the pan I have added 2 spoons of ghee. When the ghee is hot enough, I am adding onions, garlic, and chilies to the pan. Saute them for 1 minute. Don't cook the stuffing for a long time. Now I am adding turmeric to the pan. Mix everything until incorporated. Now I am adding finely chopped carrots and again mix them properly. Add the grated cabbage. Mix everything and saute for 1 minute. Finally, I have added the coriander leaves. Add in all the spices except the salt. Don't add the salt when the stuffing is very hot, otherwise cabbage will release water when salt is added. So I am taking the dough and making small chapatis out of the dough. Now knead the dough for 2 minutes. I am dividing the dough into small equal portions. Each part should be enough to make a small chapati. Smoothen all the divided parts into small dough balls. Now as the stuffing has cooled down, I have added the salt and mixing everything completely and properly. Now let's stuff the chapatis. First dust out any flour that is left on the chapatis. Make a small thin chapati of the dough balls. Place the stuffing in the center of the chapati. With your finger, lightly brush some water to the corners of the chapati. And now let's start pleating the corners of the chapati together like I am showing you. As we have added water, the dough will stick together and the momo will not fall apart. So now we have made the dumpling. Pinch in all the corners together. I am filling the second momo now. Place 2 spoons of stuffing. Lightly brush some water to the corners of the chapati. Start pleating the corners together. And pinch in all the corners to close the momo. If you find this process a little difficult, I will show you another process. Take the stuffing and fill it only to one side of the chapati. Brush some water to the corners of the chapati and fold the one half of chapati over the other and simply pinch the corners to seal the momo. Now that I have finished making all the dumplings, let's cook it. Don't worry about the stuffing, it will make a good sandwich filling. I have taken the steamer pan of the rice cooker. You can get this pan along with the rice cooker or you can buy it separately at a stainless steel retailer shop. I have already soaked some rice for today. Now I am placing the momo pan on top of the rice cooker and switching the rice cooker on. After the indicator of rice cooker falls on to keep warm, let it sit for 5 minutes and after that your steamed momos are ready to be served. Carefully lift the momo pan from the rice cooker pan and let's take out the momos out of the pan now. I have deep fried one momo just to show you. Now that our momos are ready, serve them with some ketchup or momo chutney or whatever sauce you like. Hope you like this video and hope you'll give it a try. The stuffing and the cover is also completely and properly cooked. So, thanks for watching and until next time, bye.